Good morning, everyone. I'm Rachel Kale. Thank you for joining me for an early morning soap session. Today we are making apple cider spiced citrus soap. I am really excited about this. So I have my lye solution and oils a little less than 100 degrees. There is apple cider already added into the oils. I have the feeling that the sugar in that is going to cause the temp to increase quite a bit, so I'm not going to pop this one in the oven. But I have everything ready to go, so I'm going to go ahead and mix this up, and you can enjoy some music while I make this soap. And I have some cinnamon sticks I'm going to pop on the top of it. I'm putting in a little bit of turmeric and pumpkin spice for some added color. And then our essential oil blend for today will be mostly 5-fold orange with a little bit of cinnamon oil. Cinnamon can be a bit of an irritant, so I'm not doing very much of it this time. But it should turn out pretty well, so I'm excited. Let's do this. Adding some kale and clay in this to kind of help hold that orange citrus smell, because I feel like citruses lose their scent in soaps. So the kale and clay will hopefully hold on to that and make it last longer. Okay, everyone, that's it. So I'm going to cover this and let it sit for a couple days, and then we'll unmold and cut it and see how it does. All right, everyone, it's 3 days later, and we are ready to cut this bad boy. Looks pretty good to me. Very smooth. A nice thick heavy bar. That's gonna make a really nice soap right there. Thank you for joining me today, and don't forget to subscribe for more soapy videos coming up, and I will see you guys next time. I'm trying to stock these on the shelf and I keep smelling them. Definitely spiced citrus. The orange is coming through pretty strong right now, so I'm hoping it will hold on there.